guys got it? Okay. Jordan, you're going to be the person who connects in case anything falls apart, okay?
Oh, this is
awesome moving! No, it's not.
Ready?
Whoa, carefully!
Okay, everybody get sort of evenly spaced. Everybody get evenly spaced. Now we're going to abduct a cow. This cow.
Okay, ready to land? You abducted a cow, you taking it back to Mars. You can land anytime.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! All right. Good job, guys. Awesome.
Whoa.
And now, do you guys remember the symbol